We are making fun burgers. What is a fun burger? 1 pound ground beef and 1/2 cup chopped onion. Gonna break it up like so. Onions sprinkled in. Oh, pretty. So far, it's hamburgers. Now we just let that sit until it turns brown. Ground beef is browned. We need to add 1/2 cup dill pickles, 1/2 cup ketchup. Full top. Oh, gee. I mean, not like you can have too much ketchup. 1 cup mozzarella cheese. You can just put it right in the ketchup cup. Some of it will stick to the ketchup, but that's okay. Have all of our all of our ingredients that almost spilled all over the stove. Now we have to stir it until the cheese just starts to melt. The next ingredient, 5 hamburger buns. It is kind of fun stirring. Everything's fun with you. We're gonna split this up, put it on hamburgers, and then we're gonna wrap aluminum foil. Hamburger buns right on our aluminum foil. I'm gonna use a nice scoop of this right onto my hamburger roll. Going to wrap this guy. Burger number 1, burger number 2, burger number 3, number 4, number 5. This is gonna be fun. You can toss them on here and I'll catch. Ready? Oh, there's one. You gotta back up. Here, more back. The back. Oh my God. Jesus. See how fun that was? Look at it. That was fun. When you're putting them on the cookie sheet or whatever you so choose to put them on, throw them. It's more fun. In the 400-degree oven, 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and see how fun they are. It's been 15 minutes. It is time to break out the fun burgers. They smell good. Out of the oven, out of the foil, onto the plate. Making them was just cooking. I don't know if it was fun. Kind of fun.
Eating them is the fun part.
Maybe eating them is the fun burger. Here, cheers. Coco wants a fun burger.
It tastes like a burger.
Kind of soggy bun. Soggy buns are fun. Oh, hot. I burnt my tongue. That's fun. Definitely worth trying. August recipe. Fun burgers. If you don't have a calendar, comment. We'll get you one. And we'll see you on the next video.